Hello everybody, welcome back to Itchy Doodles. We're here today to review this. So this is the Winsor Newtown Drawing Ink Collection. I believe it's been repackaged, so it has 4 balls of ink inside. I found it at Michael's at the retail price of $21, but with their 40% off coupon it was way much cheaper. So yeah, I wanted to give it a shot because there's a certain artist that I seem to have discovered that seems to like using inks, and I would like to discover if I would enjoy using these inks. But for now, this is an unboxing of the Drawing Ink Collection. So this is a 4-pack, right? And it comes with 4 colors, and it's called Rich Tones for this pack. It comes with Viridian, Ultramarine, Purple, and Sunshine Yellow. And then the description in the back says, our drawing inks are fast-drying shellac based with added dyes to give intensity and brilliance to color. Transparent and water resistant, they can be applied with a brush, airbrush, or dip pen for a wide variety of uses. All colors are intermixable, and you can overlay different colors for new effects and shades. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, it comes in individual little boxes. Oh, that's pretty. So this is Viridian. There's a cute little dragon drawing in there. Okay, and this is Ultramarine. And this is Sunshine Yellow. And this is Purple. Let's open it up. Sunshine Yellow. And Purple. So they come in 4 different really rich colors. let's give it a shot. Alright, so now the inks are dry. I think it took them like 2 to 5 minutes to dry up. So they are pretty intense. On what watercolor surface? Watercolor paper surface. And then when applied dry, still quite intense. And then when used with a nib, can still produce really fine lines. Now then, I can't wait to experiment with these in the future and see how I can incorporate it in my future art. So, again, this is HE Duels. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.